Dialogue 1.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to withdraw some money from this account.
Okay, how much do you want?
$500.
Can you fill out this form, please? You need to write down your name, your account number, how much money you want.
Sure. Hold on for a moment, here you are.
Please enter your password over that machine.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir, but your password is wrong.
Really? Can I try it again? How about this time?
It's correct now. Here's your receipt. Please sign at the bottom of it.
Okay, here you are.
Here are 500 in your account. Please press the button to give a score for my service. Thank you.
Dialogue 2.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, may I help you?
I'd like you to cash this check for $100, please.
Do you have an account with us?
No, actually, I'd like to open an account right now.
What kind of account would you like to open?
A checking account.
Please fill in these forms. Can I have your ID card to make a copy?
Yes, sure. Here you are.
Thanks. Please finish these forms. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Did you finish the forms? May I have them back?
Yes, here you are.
Now, how would you like this check cashed?
10 tens will be fine.
Here you are.
Subscribe, please.